Hi, everybody. It's Heather, Director of Sales here at Wingspread. And I was doing some thinking. I just was over at the guest house talking to a group that's here about some things that they wish they had known before they come here for a conference. So I'm going to walk around the property a little bit and point out a few things that you should know before you go. Okay, here we go. I am walking outside of Wingspread, and I just wanted to show you that even though it's not very far, we are located on 36 acres. We talk about that all the time about the wildlife and the nature here. But we are out in the elements. It's not covered walkways. Straight ahead is the Johnson Foundation offices, and in the distance back there is the guest house, and here is the conference center. So it is about 100 yards between buildings, and you do walk outside in the elements. So it is important to wear comfortable shoes and layers. You always want to wear layers in Wisconsin because you never know what the weather's going to bring. If you do end up wandering out on the trails and you want to get some fresh air while you're at Wingspread, sometimes the deer will join you. They like to walk around the property as well. I am sitting on the second floor of the guest house in one of our reading nooks, and in this digital age where everyone is go, go, go and everything is online, I like to recommend to people that you bring a journal. It's not only a good tool for when you're in your meetings so you can remember things, but you can sit in the evenings, maybe in the nooks in your guest rooms or maybe one of the places outside, and just write down a few thoughts. Wingspread really is a wonderful place to come to unplug, unwind, and quiet the noise. So I just left the reading nook and I'm walking into the fitness center. Open doors 24/7. Most of our programs do build in a wellness activity like yoga or meditation. But if you like to get up early or in the evenings, do a workout, the fitness center is available. So therefore, when you pack, you want to make sure you bring athletic clothes, walking shoes. Make sure you keep up with your routine just like you would if you were at home.
I love our new Wingspread water bottles. They're such a great addition. With our property being sustainable, we don't offer plastic water to our conference attendees, so it's always nice to make sure you bring your own.
Definitely. I never travel without my water bottle.
I guess the most important thing to pack when you come to Wingspread is an open mind. You got to bring your jacket because sitting by the fire pit can be chilly at night, but having an open mind so you can take in everything, you can take in the scenery, you can learn from your meeting, but don't make the best of it while you're here. Rest, recharge, and bring your best self.